And so I'm fully satisfied after that steak sandwich and bolla de cacao. So we'll continue on to the end of Ponta São Lourenço, and I might have a little surprise in store for you shortly. This is tougher than it looks. I thought the final leg was going to be the easy part, not Mount Everest. As you can see, oh my goodness, got to really grab on to the railings at the side to pull yourself up. So definitely not for those of you who are almost as unfit as me. I would say if you take your time, like 6 hours, well not quite 6 hours, an hour or so, you should be able to make it to the summit. And of course it's worth it when you see amazing views like so. We're nearly there, and that looks like the Hillary Pass in front of us. Not quite, but those of you who are in the know will know what I'm on about. Oh, lovely view there. And there's the lighthouse way in the distance on that island at the far end, which is probably the easternmost point of Madeira. We're almost at the summit. In fact, I didn't even know it was going to be a summit. Just thought it was going to be a regular viewpoint to walk to. And so I'm almost there. Just a few more steps in front of me. Here we are. Ponta São Lourenço. Monday, 4th of April, 2022. And I'm proud of this achievement. This afternoon made it. But in the meantime, I'm wrecked, but I've got to show you this view. So just look at that. And I must say that was rather delightful with that view. I'm heading back down now, and I was in 2 minds of whether to launch the drone or not, but it was very gusty, and if there was a bit more room at the top I would have chanced it, because then if it's coming to land it may not have fallen off the cliff or otherwise. But sometimes for the beauty of these images, even though I really wanted to, this time I said no to myself. And apologies if you were expecting some images from this absolutely gorgeous spot, but it's still early in the journey yet. There'll be plenty more opportunities further down the line to get some equally stunning imagery on this trip. And so this is the prize I told you about. Decided on it last moment. We're going to go on a boat trip around to the lighthouse at the far end of Ponta São Lourenço with Madeira Sea Emotions. Boa tarde, amigo.
Hello, boa tarde. Hello.
They're very friendly here, as you know. And clamber over these rocks. I went the most scenic and rugged route to get to the boat, as you'll see in a moment. Easy does it. Made it in one piece.
Hi.
Boa tarde.
You can use the filter to put your feet on.
Thank you. And we made it in one piece. Gotta find a comfy seat to sit on. Here we are now, ready to set sail to the lighthouse, through a cave I believe, and back to the marina which is about 10 minutes walk from where I parked.
About the drone, you can launch the drone, but I wouldn't advise you to, okay? Because it's really, when I say windy, it's not windy as it is over here. It will be really, really windy.
Okay.
Is that your charge? You can launch it if you want, okay? But
I was thinking of when we're nearly finished there, so when it comes to land, it will land at the marina.
you can try. You can
Okay.
try. If you want, you can try.
Okay, thank you. So what's this called?
This is Pico do Furado. It's the highest peak of Porto de São Lourenço. It is about 167 meters high. And over here in the main island, it's the last place that you can walk on. So from here, you always have to come back. And a little more ahead, you will see that it divides into another island because we can see the sea on the other side. So we tell that the island is a port.
Does the cave have a name?
This is Furado, so if you translate it more or less means hole.
Yeah.
So it was given this name because of the arch that you have over here. We cannot pass in the middle because it doesn't have enough water, but there's another arch in the other side of the island where we can pass, but usually it's only when the weather is good on the other side, when it's not windy. So not today.
Okay.
A few ones over there, but you will see more.
Crabs,
Yeah. They are kind of camouflaged on the rocks, but you will see two different ones, red ones and black ones. They are over here. Can you see them?
Oh, I see the red ones, yes. That's amazing. I've never seen them that colour.
The red ones are the oldest, so that's why you see they are the biggest. And then you have the black ones that are the smallest ones, the youngest.
Oh, I saw some black ones at Machiko earlier in the, last week.
Yeah, they are all around the island.
And the sea is a different colour here than it is in Funchal and Camarada de la Bosch, I've noticed.
sea?
The colour of it.
What do you think about the color of the
This is more green, and back over there, going towards Cabo Girau, is more deep blue. It's more this colour.
Yeah, it's because of the depth. It has to do with the depth. So over here you have about, I would say, 5 meters, 10 meters. A bit more ahead you already have more, like 40 meters. But the water over here is more turquoise blue because it's less deep. And over there in Cabo Girau, it's way deeper.
Yeah.
So the water is more dark blue than turquoise.
That's a cave which we saw from the other side from moments ago. And that's English beach in front of us,
English beach. Yeah. Beach. Over there used to be a barbecue area, but it got destroyed.
Oh no, from the storms.
Yeah, but people still do it over there. You can come here by kayak or by boat. We have a lot of people that come here by kayak. They do the kayak experience, and they come over here and they can stop.
And here's the lighthouse, first view of it, properly from the boat. What's the name of the lighthouse?
The lighthouse of Porto de São Lourenço.
Furado de São Lourenço.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it there. Oh, waves splashing me.
We would go around the island of the lighthouse if it was not wavy as
Oh, okay. So because it's too choppy, we can't go all the way around it. Oh, it's almost like a roller coaster ride, this. You can't tell with the movements because of the gimbal is stabilizing everything on this. I'm holding tight for dear life. Amazing, it truly is amazing out here. It's beautiful.
You see the waves crashing over there?
Yeah.
See them crashing.
Against the rock there, against that stack.
Over there it's the entrance to the lighthouse. Can you see it that way?
Is it manned, the lighthouse? Are there people there?
No, not
it's
anymore.
Fully automatic now?
I think that ended in the 80s or 90s. And this is the oldest lighthouse that we have in the island.
Older than the one on the west side of the island?
Yeah, this is the oldest. That one is the tallest. People even park on top of mountains and places that they're not supposed to park.
Too dangerous.
Yeah.
I didn't want to risk it.
To go over there and have a spot to park your car on a decent spot, that's really a spot, you have to be there at 8:30. If you go after 8:30, you won't get a spot.
I think I was very lucky because I drove around maybe 10-15 minutes and then I thought I'd wait by the food trucks. One car was pulling out, then a second car was pulling out. So we're sort of on the way heading back now. So this is the view of what to expect. And see a bit of the sunlight hitting the sides of the mountains there. Looking absolutely gorgeous. You can't get scenery better than this. And that's the beach where we caught this boat from. Are we picking up some people from it?
Yeah. We'll pick up 5 more people.
Okay.
Okay, maybe if you want together. I don't know. If you want to stay like this, you can.
So we've picked a couple more people up and we're going to go on to the final stage of this boat trip to the marina by that grand hotel. And then it's just a 10-minute walk back to the car.
Is it warm? Is the water?
Yeah, it's perfect.
You see?
The sunshine makes all the difference. And to think, a couple of hours earlier, I'd walked all the way over those mountains. That was a beach I didn't get a chance to go to. I said I was, but this boat trip happened. What's the name of the cave?
Pigeon's Cave.
Pigeon's Cave.
Yeah, it got this name because the pigeons are usually hidden inside on the holes between the rocks. That's also the place where they do their nests, so that's why the cave is known by this.
What's the name of that village in front of us, sir?
That is Quinta do Lorde. It's an hotel, but at the moment it works like a ghost town, full time.
Oh, why is that?
It went bankrupt in 2019, a bit before COVID, and it was sold. And now they are planning on bringing it to life again, but we still don't know what are they going to do with it. So we are still waiting ourselves to see what is going to come up from all of this. Many people said it looks like a film set.
Yes. It looks so pristine. It looks brand new.
It looks brand new, but it was actually built in 2005.
And a lovely lighthouse at the end of it there.
The lighthouse used to be a restaurant. It's all closed besides the marina, our office and a coffee shop.
Okay.
So this is Prainha. It's one of the only 2 beaches in the island with natural sand. We have this one and we have another one in the north part of the island in Seychelles.
Yes, I want to visit Seychelles later in the week.
Yeah, they are both dark sand.
Yeah.
The other beaches that you find with yellow sand, it's sand imported from Morocco until here to make them, so they are fake.
Yes.
They are not natural.
Machico.
Yeah, Machico, Calheta as well. The elephant rock right in front of you.
Shaped like an elephant. Thank you, Ines, for pointing that out, otherwise I would not have noticed it. Yes.
All natural.
Resemblance is uncanny. Because in Algarve, they say about the yellow submarine rock when you're going from Albufeira to Benagil.
Yeah. I've never done that tour of the caves, but I know the caves.
Yes.
But I believe in you.
It's in one of my vlogs. If you get a chance to see it, you'll see it though.
Okay. Our office, the marina, nothing else open.
Okay. As long as there's a coffee shop, I'm happy.
Yeah, there's a coffee shop. You can go over there. Sunny's really kind.
That was an amazing boat trip, and it's time to depart from it. So, my captain, thank you very much.
Thank you, I hope you enjoyed.
And the wonderful Ines, she was an amazing guide.
Thank
so,
you.
Madeira Sea Emotions, I recommend this trip. Okay, so
Thank you.
thank you. Obrigado.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, the boat trip is over. We are now at
Quinta do Lorde.
We've had a brilliant day here on this boat trip. So don't forget to
Subscribe and
like.
that's on Facebook and YouTube. So until the next vlog, take care people.
Thank you.
Have a good one, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.
Bye.
Look at that view. Saud. This is where the nuns used to hide when they were attacked by pirates in Funchal.